Hey everyone, garden lovers. Welcome back to our channel. Imagine having a pharmacy right in your backyard. Sounds amazing, right? Today, we're diving into 4 powerful healing herbs that you can grow easily in your own garden. Not only are these plants beautiful and low maintenance, but they also pack a punch with health benefits. From boosting immunity to easing digestion, these herbs do it all. And stick around till the end because we'll reveal a bonus tip on how to use these herbs together for maximum benefits. One simple request, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful, and let me know in the comments what other topics you would love to watch. Alright, let's get started. Plant number 1. Basil, the king of herbs. Let's start with basil, often called the king of herbs. Basil is a staple in many gardens, and it's more than just a tasty addition to your recipes. Did you know that basil has powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties? How to care for basil? Basil is a sun-loving herb, so find a sunny spot for it in your garden. It prefers well-drained soil and needs to be watered consistently, but not overwatered. Watering at the base and not on the leaves helps prevent disease. Pinching off the top leaves encourages it to grow more leaves, giving you a fuller plant. And remember to remove any flower buds as soon as they appear to keep your basil producing leaves instead of seeds. Nutritional value and health benefits of basil. Basil is rich in vitamins A, C, and K, along with minerals like magnesium, calcium, and iron. These nutrients are great for maintaining healthy skin and bones. But basil is known especially for its antioxidants, which help reduce oxidative stress in your body. Its oils, like eugenol, have been studied for their ability to reduce inflammation. In fact, some studies suggest that basil may support heart health and reduce blood pressure. Plant number 2. Mint, the cool and calming herb. Next up is mint, one of the most refreshing herbs you can grow. Mint is fantastic for digestion, and it has a natural cooling effect on the body, perfect for hot summer days. How to care for mint? Mint is a fast-growing herb, so it's best to plant it in a container to keep it from taking over your garden. It likes partial shade and needs well-drained, moist soil. Mint is quite hardy, so even if you're a beginner gardener, you'll find it easy to care for. Just remember to water it regularly, as mint doesn't like dry soil. Nutritional value and health benefits of mint. Mint is packed with vitamins A, C, and B complex, as well as iron, calcium, and potassium. These nutrients are essential for maintaining healthy skin, bones, and blood pressure. Mint is also high in menthol, which gives it that distinctive cooling effect. Studies have shown that menthol can relax the digestive tract, making mint a popular remedy for stomach cramps and indigestion. How it works in the body. When you consume mint, its menthol content helps to relax your muscles, particularly in the digestive tract, which can help relieve indigestion and nausea. Mint tea, for example, can be a soothing remedy for upset stomachs or headaches. Plant number 3. Rosemary, the herb for memory and focus. Rosemary is known as the memory herb, and it's easy to see why. This fragrant herb has been used for centuries to enhance memory and concentration. How to care for rosemary? Rosemary loves sun and well-drained soil, making it a great choice for a sunny spot in your garden. It's a drought-tolerant herb, so it doesn't require frequent watering once it's established. Prune it regularly to keep it from getting woody and to encourage new growth. Rosemary is a hardy plant that can thrive even if you're not a gardening expert. Nutritional value and health benefits of rosemary. Rosemary is rich in vitamins A, C, and B6, as well as calcium, iron, and manganese. These nutrients are beneficial for overall health. But rosemary's standout compound is rosmarinic acid, an antioxidant known to improve brain function. Studies have shown that the aroma of rosemary alone can enhance memory and concentration. It's also known for its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties, which help boost immunity. How it works in the body. Rosemary contains compounds that stimulate the brain and improve blood circulation, which can help with focus and mental clarity. Inhaling rosemary essential oil or using it in cooking can provide a natural boost to your cognitive functions. Some studies even suggest rosemary may help reduce anxiety and improve mood. Plant number 4. Lavender, the stress-relieving herb. Last but certainly not least is lavender, one of the most beautiful and beneficial herbs for your garden. Lavender is famous for its calming effects and can help with sleep and stress relief. How to care for lavender. Lavender thrives in full sun and well-drained soil, so choose a sunny spot for this herb. It's a drought-resistant plant and doesn't need much water once it's established. Prune it after it flowers to encourage new blooms. Lavender attracts pollinators like bees and butterflies, making it great for a garden that's friendly to wildlife. Nutritional value and health benefits of lavender. Lavender contains a unique mix of vitamins and antioxidants, including calcium, iron, and vitamin A. But its most beneficial compounds are linalool and linaloyl acetate, both of which have been studied for their relaxing effects on the body. Lavender has been shown to reduce stress and anxiety, making it an excellent herb for promoting mental wellness. It's also known for its anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving properties. How it works in the body. The compounds in lavender interact with the brain to reduce feelings of anxiety and stress. Lavender tea or essential oil can help relax your nervous system, promoting better sleep and mental well-being. Inhaling lavender before bed can improve sleep quality, making it a favorite natural remedy for insomnia. Bonus tip: combine herbs for maximum benefits. Now here's a bonus tip. One of the best ways to get the benefits of these herbs is to use them together. For example, a tea made with basil, mint, and lavender can help with digestion, reduce stress, and boost immunity all at once. Just steep a few leaves of each in hot water, and you'll have a delicious healing herbal tea. And if you're cooking, adding rosemary to dishes with basil can enhance both flavor and health benefits. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, make sure to subscribe, and hit the notification bell to our channel for more health tips like this one, so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.